Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best worm weights is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any angler's arsenal, offering a subtle yet effective way to enhance your bait's presentation and achieve deeper, more consistent presentations in various water conditions. Whether you're targeting finicky bass in clear water or searching for walleye in murky depths, the right worm weight can make all the difference in triggering those elusive bites and ultimately filling your live well with success. Understanding the nuances of these small but mighty fishing accessories is key to unlocking a new level of fishing performance and enjoyment. Number 5. Bullet Fishing Weights Kit. These weights feature a streamlined bullet shape, allowing them to sink quickly with minimal resistance. They are designed to get your bait down efficiently, even in strong currents. The polished surface reduces underwater friction, preserving the natural swimming action of your lure. This makes them ideal for murky waters or when you need to be stealthy. Increase your casting distance with these weights, perfect for any plastic worm or soft bait. Their design helps your lures reach your desired depth faster. These sinkers are superb for working various soft lures through weeds and are great for Texas rigs, Carolina rigs, and other setups with soft baits. This kit includes 29 pieces of bullet sinker weights in various sizes, from 1/16 ounces to 5/14 ounces. Everything comes neatly organized in a handy storage box. What we like. This option offers a streamlined bullet shape that cuts through the water quickly. It's ideal for getting your bait down fast, even in stronger currents. If you need to reach deeper water or work through muddy conditions with minimal impact on your lure's action, this is a great choice. What people say. The worm weights are designed to be inserted into the nose of the worm. These weights are made of lead and are designed to help your bait sink faster. The weights are small and easy to use. Number 4. 50 PCS Fishing Sinkers Weights Kit. Introducing our comprehensive fishing sinker set, designed to enhance your angling experience. This kit provides everything you need for a successful day on the water. You'll find a total of 50 pieces in this set, featuring 6 different sizes to suit various fishing conditions. They come conveniently organized in a durable plastic box. Experience improved casting with its unique, streamlined design. This feature minimizes water resistance, allowing for a smoother and more efficient entry into the water. These weights are engineered to help you precisely position your lures in the optimal fishing zones. Get your bait down to where the fish are biting. With a range of weights available, you can easily adapt to different fishing environments. Quickly attach various hooks to meet your specific needs, no matter the water body. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with our product, please reach out to our customer service, and we'll be happy to assist you. What we like. This kit provides a generous 50 pieces with a streamlined design for efficient sinking. It comes with a wide range of weights to suit various fishing conditions. If you're looking for a cost-effective option with plenty of versatility for different water depths and species, this set is a solid pick. What people say. The worm weights are designed to be easily inserted into the worm. These weights provide a good balance and allow for better casting distance. The durable construction ensures they hold up well during use. Number 3. Nako Tungsten Bullet Weights. Introducing Nako Tungsten Bullet Weights, engineered for the discerning angler. Experience unparalleled sensitivity and precision with every cast. These weights are 200% more sensitive than traditional lead options. Feel every subtle bite and navigate structure with confidence. Available in no-chip black and green pumpkin, these weights blend seamlessly with any environment. The colors won't chip or fade, ensuring long-lasting performance. Perfectly suited for Texas rigging and as tungsten worm weights. Their design ensures they slide effortlessly through cover. Never guess the weight again. The size is clearly printed on each one for quick and easy identification. Enjoy an inserts-free design for a cleaner presentation. Plus, they are eco-friendly, making them a responsible choice for your fishing adventures. What we like. Experience superior sensitivity with these tungsten weights, offering twice the feel of lead. They are designed with a durable, no-chip finish in attractive colors. If you prioritize feeling every subtle bite and want a long-lasting, eco-friendly option for precise fishing, these are the ones to consider. What people say. The worm weights are designed to be sleek and streamlined, reducing snags on underwater structures. These weights feature a durable powder coating that resists chipping and scratching, ensuring longevity. The insert is made of brass, which provides a secure and rattle-free fit for your fishing line. Number 2. Shaddock Worm Fishing Sinker Weights Kit. Introducing the Shaddock Worm Fishing Sinker Weights Kit, your ultimate solution for both freshwater and saltwater angling. This comprehensive set ensures you're prepared for any fishing scenario. Our sinker weights feature a smooth, center-drilled hole with clean chamfering. This design prevents any risk of line damage, ensuring the integrity of your fishing setup. Boost your casting distance significantly with these weights. They are perfect for use with any plastic worm or soft plastic bait, helping you reach those elusive spots. These bullet sinker weights are commonly used in both freshwater and saltwater environments. They are particularly great for Texas rigs and various other weedless applications. The kit comes complete with a selector case, making it easy to pick the exact size you need. Stay organized and efficient on your next fishing trip. This 83-piece kit includes an assortment of weights in various sizes, from 1/16 ounces to 1/2 ounces. You'll have the perfect weight for every situation. What we like. These weights feature a smooth, chamfered hole to protect your line and increase casting distance. They are versatile for both freshwater and saltwater, especially for Texas rigs and weedless applications. If you want to cast further and protect your line while fishing in various environments, this set with its convenient case is a practical solution. What people say. The worm weights are designed to be easily threaded onto the line, making rigging quick and efficient. These weights feature a streamlined shape that helps them cut through weeds and cover with minimal snagging. The durable finish on the worm weights prevents chipping and scratching, ensuring a long lifespan even with frequent use. Number 1. 16 PCS Tungsten Fishing Weights for Base. Introducing our set of 16 premium tungsten fishing weights, designed for the serious angler. These weights are perfect for bass fishing, offering superior performance in various conditions. Each package includes 16 durable tungsten worm weights, more than enough for your fishing trips. A transparent storage box is also included, keeping your weights organized and accessible. Crafted from high-density tungsten material, these weights are incredibly durable. They offer excellent wear and corrosion resistance, ensuring they stand up to tough fishing environments. These practical fishing sinkers make navigating heavy cover, flipping docks, and punching through weed mats significantly easier. They are designed to help you catch more fish. Ideal for flipping docks, Carolina rigs, and targeting both largemouth and smallmouth bass, these weights are a must-have. They are the perfect tools for fishing enthusiasts looking to reel in more catches and enjoy the sport. Their thoughtful design ensures they are robust and easy to handle. The smooth interior of the hole allows for effortless line passage, preventing line damage. Plus, their shape minimizes tangling with underwater obstacles. What we like. Crafted from durable tungsten, these weights are dense and wear-resistant, making them perfect for tough conditions. The design ensures your line passes through smoothly without damage, and the shape minimizes snags. If you frequently fish in heavy cover, docks, or weed mats and need a reliable weight that won't fray your line, these are an excellent choice for bass fishing. What people say. The worm weights are designed to be streamlined and easy to rig. These weights offer good sensitivity, allowing anglers to feel subtle bites. The durable finish on the weights prevents chipping and corrosion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.